Hi, I'm Velmabim, and I want to show off a new feature coming soon to the GitHub CLI. This new feature is called GH Extension Browse, and its purpose is to help you find extensions to the GitHub CLI. If you're not familiar, the GitHub CLI allows you to add custom commands, either written by us or third parties, and call them as you would any other GH command. Right now, we don't have a great way to find those extensions. You have to go to github.com in your browser and search repositories with a specific label, specific topic, excuse me. And so this new feature lets you browse extensions and install them right from the command line. Now, this is a very new style of command for us. It's our first time making a fully interactive TUI, terminal UI style command. So this command takes over your whole terminal and gives you a colorful interactive interface to use. So if I run xbrowse, I get this interface. So on the left side, we see a big list of all of the GitHub CLI extensions, and on the right side, the README for whatever extension we have highlighted. So we can scroll through these and read about some of them. And we can scroll the README by using the page up and page down keys, like so. You can hit the slash key to focus on this filter input box and type a search term. So type in my name. And so yeah, there are all of my extensions. So let's say I want to install one of them. I'll install this one. So I hit I, wait a second, and here we go. It's installed. So now that's called out in the interface. It says installed next to it. And a nice thing about that is you can actually filter by installed to see what you have installed. You can also search by official to see extensions that have been published either in the GitHub org or the CLI org. And you can remove extensions also. So we'll search for this one again, hit R, and now it's not installed. The one last feature is if you want to look a little bit more closely at an extension, you can highlight it and then hit W, and it will open it in your graphical browser, like so. So hopefully this is useful, and hopefully this style of interface is interesting and fun for people to use. If this is not your style, we'll also be shipping a new command called ghxsearch, which searches for extensions in a more traditional CLI format, which will be both friendlier for screen readers and scripting, in addition to just being your preference if you don't like big TUIs. So yeah, thanks for watching.